In this video, I am going to review 10 different websites that you can use to make your money online. The first website is dgsstore24.com, and then click on the button on the right hand corner that says sign up now. Then you can sign up for an account. Just fill in your information and then go to the link at the top that says marketplace. Go, then you can find the product to promote. You can receive various commission from $200 to $500 for each sale. If you make 1 or 2 sales a day, you can potentially make more than your full-time income, which is great. So all you have to do is click the little button that says promote. Now, next to the product you want to promote, and then DGStore will show your magic link. Then make sure you also click on the link next to the product. It's new the package backup page. On that page they usually give you a bunch of time assets you can use to promote the product. For example, promotional emails for annual mailing or webinars and anything else you can use to promote. All you have to do is grab this link and promote it in various places. You can think that this can include YouTube videos, which are my absolute favorite, and you can still do without showing your face in front of the camera. You can use Instagram, TikTok, blog, and advertisements for the graphic bonus on your links. Also, if you have a YouTube channel, you can share their links on your channel. I advise you to promote products that you really believe in and that actually create value for people, and there are a lot of bad products in the stores. In fact, there are bad products in every market where there are good products. So focus, position yourself on good products to sell well so you can earn good money. There are a lot of scam survey websites out there, but there are a few legit ones that say don't expect to get a full-time job just by answering online surveys. But if you want to do something, you can expect to potentially earn a few extra dollars. It's really little effort just to answer surveys. They are probably familiar with Google, one of the biggest companies in the world. In fact, they even own YouTube, which I posted this video here. Google also owns a survey website that allows you to take surveys on your own. You can potentially earn money, and it is called Google Opinion Rewards. You can download it as an app and literally just answer random question and Google will pay you. The way it works is that it usually sends you a survey once a week, and then all you have to do is answer the question from there, and now you can earn money. The next website is called FOAP. FOAP is a website and app where you can potentially earn more money just from your photos and videos. All you have to do is upload different people or videos that you have, and then if a company wants use these photos in marketing for anything else they need, they can buy it from people, and then you get 50% of the money. And to earn extra money with people, you can participate in missions. They say with them where they pay you a specific thing to go out and do, whether you're photographing a particular tree or thing around your town or whatever. They'll tell you exactly what it needs, and all you have to do is go out and take a picture and then send it to, and in this way you can earn money. At this stage you may ask why companies need such images. It turns out that in the past companies had to go to expensive photography companies or had to buy expensive stock photos and videos that are not really affordable, so they can go directly to real people to get their photos and videos at a very cheap price. So it's a win-win deal, and these photos, they can appear on things like billboards or magazines or anything else. This transcription job, like Scribey, requires higher transcription because it is said to type in different parts of the region, and they pay $5 to $20 per hour of content that you transcribe. What's cool about Scribey, in my opinion, is that they give you an automatic transcript of what's being said in the video. It's fully automatic, so it's you as you go through it and corrects grammar mistakes, and you make sure that everything is zoned, and it makes sure that the bot made it. It's much easier than typing everything from scratch because you get it automatically right and to quickly do things now. Do you have a skill that people ask you know to do, be it piano playing, a certain video game, or anything else? If you so, you can use the Udemy website, which you can create with something like Google Slides and then record it with something like the freeware OBS. So what Udemy does is they advertise your course for you, and sometimes they even pay you to advertise so that your course is seen, and so people buy it, and then they give you some of the money. The next website is Gumroad, where you can sell digital products in similar courses. You can also sell and use anything else that is a digital product as other thing like ebook or a guide, pattern. And what is interesting about digital products is that you don't have to pay a huge price every time someone buys it, plus it's automatically delivered to them. The next website is Go Transcribe, another transcription website that pays you to transcribe video and audio. Jobs are available worldwide and will pay you up to 60 per minute of audio you transcribe. The next website is rev.com, where you can earn weekly PayPal just by transcribing audio. But this website is a little different from other transcribing services. Below, they offer you 3 ways to earn money instead of just making money. One is where you write down exactly what you hear, or you can do something like name subtitle audio. You'll sync it with the timestamps of the UI you're subtitling to. And this is where you create subtitle for video. You can get much more money than doing direct transcription. And the third option to make money with this website is subtitling audio and video in different language. So if you know another language, that can be a way to make more money. Voices.com pays people to do voiceovers, and you can earn money using this site. The income you can earn from each voiceover will be different depending on the project you're doing, but you can do voiceover for things like YouTube video ads, anything else that someone needs female voiceover for. And the way it works is that people send you a script that you do the voiceover for, record it and send it back, and you get thousands of people now making full-time jobs just doing voiceovers. Clarity FM next website where you can earn money just by jumping on phone calls and answering people's questions. On those calls, and if you know anything about anything, you can set up an account, answer people's questions and give advice and earn money.